Pretty out here, huh? You really look way out over the whole valley. Let's go over here and see what it looks like off the top of this. This is an amazing estate. This was somebody's estate till 1998. Can you imagine? This is a piece of land. Whoa. Little spooky. Is it just telling you need to re-up? Oh man. We can never get away from the bill collectors. I'll have to go to Best Buy and pick up some, or I should probably just do it with my credit card.
Best Buy?
You want to go to Best Buy?
Yes. Is they go home?
No, I don't think so, Bucko. I think they're closed today. They'll be open tomorrow. Today's Thanksgiving. Today's a day to eat. Want to go that way?
Oh, yeah.
That way, yes.